Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. One of my favourite YouTubers is Jenna Phipps. Jenna posts a lot of videos on sewing, thrifting, crochet and knitting, and it's 110% my cup of tea. She recently posted a video where she went over some free patterns she wants to try. So I thought I would do a similar video where I share a bunch of DIYs and patterns that I want to try out. So I'm going to start out by sharing some crochet projects that I would like to try this year. Last year I tested the waters a bit with crochet and I made this adorable little squirrel, and I would love to try out more projects, just expand a bit. I would love to make these crochet water bottle holders, however I have not been able to find a pattern for them. So I found a few free patterns for making crochet water bottle holders, and I'm gonna try them out. Not necessarily all of them, because I'm gonna end up with like tons of water bottle bags, and quite honestly I'm not going to use all of those. So I really want to crochet my own bag. I would love to make this crochet bag, and again the pattern is free. All of the patterns that I'm showing in this video are 100% free. So I've never made any granny squares before. As I said, this is the only crochet project I've ever attempted. So I think this bag will allow me to get some good practice with granny squares. You would have to make 8 in total yeah, I think you would have to make 8 in total. I'm going by memory here. I would love to make either a checkered bag or an acid wave bag. I think that's what they're called. I haven't found a pattern for these yet, so if you know any patterns for them, please do let me know. Something a little bit different is crochet earrings, and I think replicating these ones with the little fruits on would be perfect for summer. I think they're going to look so cute, and again I don't have a specific pattern for these. My plan is to find individual patterns for little what they called, for the little fruits as I go along, depending on what I want to do. The next project I've got lined up is definitely the biggest project by far, and to be honest I don't really know how this pattern is free, but this pattern is called Heart on Crop Sweater. I absolutely love this jumper so much. I don't understand how this pattern is free, and it's a big challenge. It's gonna take me forever to make, but I think I want to try and give it a go. Yeah, we will find out. This will probably be later on in the year, because realistically I'm not going to be able to get that done anytime soon. It's more of a later on in the year sort of project, especially because I won't be able to get it done before it's too warm to wear sweaters, so it'll be for next winter. I'm a little bit confused though, because the sleeves are short, but it's not something you would wear in the summer. But then I think it would be cold in the winter, so maybe like a layer underneath. Now that spring is coming up, I absolutely love wearing bandanas. I think this daisy crochet one will look so cute. The last crochet project that I've got on my list is this cushion, and I'm going to be honest, I tried to avoid cushions for this video because I don't know why, I just don't really want to make a cushion, but this one I feel differently about. I actually really like it. Okay, so my battery ran out of camera. So please do forgive me if I've switched positions. I've got one more pattern for this video, and it's a knitting pattern. I don't know how I'm going to pull this off because I have no idea how to knit. I just know that you use 2 needles and yarn. Although I did learn to knit when I was a kid, but I don't think I ever learned properly, and I gave it up really quickly. I want to make this sweater, and I don't know how I'm going to pull it off. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I love it so much that I might just use it as an excuse to learn how to knit. Again, probably something to do a bit later on in the year. I think I would go for different colours, I'm going to be honest. Something a bit more bright maybe, or a little bit more happy looking, but we'll see. I've then got a bunch of other DIYs I would like to try. If you haven't gathered from this video already, I absolutely love tote bags. I've got I mentioned 3 different bags I want to make in the crochet part of this video, and I also want to customize a bunch of tote bags, and I wanted to do this for a video last year, but I never really found any tote bags that I would use for the video, like any plain ones. It's something I would like to do this year. I love tote bags. Love, love, love tote bags. You can't have enough tote bags. They're so useful, and I would like to make my own ones. I've seen so many ceramic vases on Pinterest. These ones in particular, whenever I see them, I can't resist to save them. I always save. I have so many of them in my DIY board on Pinterest. It's a joke. So I think it's finally time I give it a go. With this DIY, as with many others in this list, I don't know how I'm going to pull it off. There's a lot I need to figure out, because I think the actual vase is made on like is it a wheel? I don't know what they're called. That's a bit of an issue, but then I could possibly make one with clay, modelling clay maybe. Maybe not this particular shape, maybe I'll have to do something a little bit more simplified, I'm not sure. And then I also have to figure out glazing, because that's important. If you know me in real life, if we're fairly close, but we don't even have to be that close to be honest to know this about me, I absolutely love houseplants. It's on the verge of obsession at this point. I absolutely love them. What I don't love is boring flower pots. So I was thinking I could go to like a garden centre or something and buy some terracotta plant pots, and I could decorate them. There's a few different crafts I would like to try. I think I might go onto Etsy and buy a punch needle kit and a candle making kit at some point in the year, and I really want to do some lino printing. I am so fascinated by this technique. It's unreal, and then you can just use it to customize so many things. You can make prints, you can customize clothes. I think it's such a cool technique, and I really want to try it. When I was at home this Christmas, we went on a few hikes and I found quite a lot of crystals, and I've brought some back with me, and I think that they would look really nice as jewellery. I would love to make some jewellery out of the crystals that I found. That is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you like these DIYs, because let's be honest, I will probably be filming most, if not all of these at some point in the year. I hope you enjoyed, and I will hopefully see you in my next video very soon. Bye!